Yeah. Think about this some.
So is it option 1 minus ice?
What is your idea? What's your thinking about this?
So is the answer 1 minus I?
So the two roots for this equation are, one root is 1 plus I.
Yes.
And another root is 1 minus I.
Yes.
Right. Do you know formula to find sum of the roots?
Yes. Negative B over A.
Negative?
B over A.
Have you seen my status? WhatsApp status?
No, sir. Was it the New Year thing?
Yeah. Or at least have you watched the latest video from YouTube? It is a part of our class discussion on zero.
Oh,
yeah,
no,
go
sir. I was in the
see.
class, though. I was
Have you
in the
received
class.
notice?
Like,
I think you have received notice.
notification, sir. Yes, I'll receive every notification, sir. It's just that I don't remember it.
Yeah, watch it. Please watch it. It is a discussion regarding zero. It's very.
Oh,
very
is it the New Year gift, sir? Is it that one?
Yeah,
This...
right. Yeah, it is. Just once click, just a few seconds. Play it. I want to listen from there in this class. Sandwiches you adore. Is it ad? Which ad? May I know? May I see?
Yeah. It's fast food orders, sir. It's like tracks.
Okay. Yeah. I think local ads are there. That means ads regarding America.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. It's about
fast food burgers.
Oh, food item.
Food item.
Right.
2 divided by 6.
Very first, there is one point. In the very beginning.
In the very beginning, sir. It says 1 over 3. Video Tuesday.
I asked you.
Video Tuesday 1 over 2.
Something like that.
VD both. So what's the tangled thing, sir?
6 over 2.
6 by 2, sir.
6 over 2.
Okay, 3, sir.
6 over 3. 6 over 2, 3.
It's like that. Okay.
6
watch it and press like button. Whenever you see ads in our channel, videos of our channel, don't tap skip ad.
Yes, sir.
I think we get more revenue from ads from states. Like, and what is the amount charged by YouTube for your membership?
It's $1 and some cents, sir, including the tax.
In rupees, I calculated in rupees it is 116 rupees. In rupees it is 116. Ads from states.
Yes, sir.
I think. But here it is only 29 rupees. It is 4 times more from states.
Yes,
yes, that's why YouTubers get more money from the subscribers of America and England also. Yeah, because YouTube charges for more money from American subscribers.
Yes,
and gets more money, more revenue from ads in America. So to help our channel, whenever you get chance, go through our channel and watch as many videos as possible and tap like and comment so that we gain some revenue so that our channel will develop. Okay.
Yes.
Of course, I am not uploading. I haven't uploading any interesting videos so far. Very few. As we have holidays in Pongal holidays, I will upload very interesting content regarding Vedic math, something like that. Do your level best to popularize it. Hi, Murali Reddy. Good morning. Murali Reddy, can you ask this question? Okay.
So far, very few.
Okay.
I have holidays in holidays
Murali Reddy, can you answer this question?
regarding Vedic math.
Okay.
Do your level best to popularize it.
Okay, it is repeating.
It's repeating.
Yeah,
Oh,
something.
I forgot. Yeah.
Okay,
I-
stop it. Yeah. Murali Reddy, can you answer this question? You told me one root is 1 plus I, another root is 1 minus I, right?
Yes.
What is this? What is the formula for sum of the roots?
Negative B over A.
Yeah, try this, Murali Reddy. Negative B over A, right? What is B here? This is A, this is B. This is A. A is 1.
Oh, then B is 3 plus 2
No,
I.
negative of 3 plus 2I.
Yes.
Negative also there. Okay, negative of 3
Yep.
plus I, right? So, negative of negative 3 plus I. Sorry, negative of negative 3 plus 2I means that is positive 3 plus 2I
Yes.
by 1.
By 1. Yes.
So, clearly sum of the roots is 3 plus 2I.
3 plus 2 I.
Sum of the roots is 3 plus 2I, right?
Yes.
One root is 1 plus I.
1 plus I plus.
If your answer is correct, then the second root is 1 minus I. Total of these roots, these two roots must be equal to 3 plus 2I.
Oh,
Is
sir.
it?
Well, never mind, sir. I'll do
That's
the
why
answer.
option 1 is wrong. Think like that.
So is it option 2?
Very good. Option 2 correct only. Option is correct. Option is correct because first root is Murali. What is our answer? Murali Reddy. One root is 3 plus 2I. Sorry. If the first root is 1 plus I as given in the problem, if the second root is 2 plus I. Yeah, very good. Murali, option 2 correct. The total is 1 plus 2, 3. I plus I, 2I. 3 plus 2I correct only.
Yes.
Option 3 is wrong. Option 4 is wrong. Okay. One more confirmation. Confirming product of the roots. Product of the roots multiplying these two roots. Right? And
Yes.
before that, what is formula for the product of the roots? That means alpha into beta. Product formula C by A. C over A, right? Yeah, in that word video, I asked you 6 by 2. And
Yes.
you replied 6 by 2. That means then I told 6 over 2. Yeah, right. See, product of the roots formula C by A. C means what? It is C. 1 plus 3I.
1 plus 3I by 1.
By 1, right? So product of the roots is 1 plus 3I, right?
Yes.
Here we have the first root 1 plus I. Second root is 2 plus I. 1 plus I times 2 plus I. Must be equal to, for the confirmation of second option, it must be equal to 1 plus 3I, right?
Yes.
See, multiplying 1 times 2 is 2. 1 times I is I. I times 2 is 2I. I times I is I square. You know what's the value of I square?
Negative
1.
root 1.
Negative 1. I square is negative 1. Simple. I square is negative 1 is basic principle in complex numbers.
Yes.
I could see at least one question involving I in SAT exam. See, what is its simplification? 2 minus I. Sorry, 2 minus 1, 1.
1 plus
I
3
plus 2
I.
Iota plus 2 iota. 3 iota.
3 iota.
So product of the roots also confirmed. So option 2 is correct. Okay. And it is verification method. In verification method, you got this option too, right?
Yes.
In straightforward method, one root is 1 plus I. Let the second root be alpha or beta or whatever you choose. Let the second root be alpha. Then what is the sum of the roots? 1 plus I plus alpha. It is sum of the roots.
Yes.
Sum of the roots is equal to minus b, negative b over a.
Yes.
Negative b means, and again negative. That is 3 plus 2i.
3 plus 2i.
By a means 1.
1.
From this equation, 1 plus I is equal to alpha. 1 plus I plus alpha is equal to 3 plus 2i.
Yes.
To get the value of alpha, subtract 1 and I from right hand side. 3 plus 2i, negative 1, negative I.
Minus I.
3 minus 1, 2, 2i minus I, plus I. 2i minus I, plus I.
Yes.
That is 2 plus I.
Yes.
Okay, got it? Right.
Yes.
This is straightforward method. The previous one is verification method.
Verification.
Right. Murali Reddy? Yeah. Can you answer this question, Murali Reddy? If alpha, beta are the roots of x square minus, what is if alpha, beta are the roots of x square minus p times of x plus 1 plus c equal 0, then alpha plus 1 times beta plus 1. Yeah, there is a typographical mistake. It is it's typed capital C instead of small c. Okay, right. Now, see, Murali, what is your opinion for this question? Which option is correct?
I think there's an ad running.
Option?
No, so I said there's an ad running.
Yeah, okay. No problem. Yeah, now it is here. It is in one. Yeah, it's regarding clothes, and in another device it is in university. IIBS. There, that is.
I don't know. So it's like a Temu shop ad. No.
Okay. I think it plays local ads. Ads
Yes.
to local items, local things. Okay. Good. See, option 2. Answer from YouTube is option 2. Let's check whether it is correct or not, right?
Yes.
First of all, we need to simplify. We need to simplify the given equation. Simplifying the given equation means converting the given equation in the form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, right?
Yes.
Is it in the format? Yes, of course. Hi, Sankiti. Good morning. Welcome to our class. Thank you for joining. Right. See, students. Yeah, it's clearly first term is okay. It is already in that format.
Yes.
But not the second term. Okay. Second term must contain only x terms only. Okay, in the standard form, second term must contain only x terms.
Yes.
But here it is minus px and minus p. Constant term is also there. So second term must be purely x term.
Yes.
So we are converting the given equation into standard form. That standard form is x square minus px minus p. Clear?
Yes.
We subtract, we multiplied minus p times x is minus p times x minus p times plus 1
Minus p
plus c.
Yes.
Now it is first term, it is second term, it is third term. What is third term?
Negative P plus C, sir.
Very good. Sankirti, can you answer this question? Ma Sankirti, you question ka answer cheppagalava? Try cheyama option ekkada cheppu chart lo. Yeah, please tell. What is the value of A here? 1. What is the value of B?
Negative P.
Very good. What is the value of C?
Negative P plus C.
Plus C, right? Very good. See, alpha and beta are the roots of this equation. Then what is alpha plus 1 times beta plus 1, right? See, alpha, what is alpha? Alpha plus beta, can you tell? Alpha plus beta is sum of the roots.
Negative P over 1. Sir.
Yeah, negative B over A. Negative B means negative of negative P, positive P. By A is 1.
Yes,
so,
sir.
alpha plus beta is equal to P only.
Yes, sir.
What is alpha times beta?
Negative P plus C, sir.
Yeah, very good. Negative P plus C by C over 1. We need not write over 1, right?
Yes.
Now, we are finding the value of alpha plus 1 times beta plus 1, right?
Yes.
Now, multiplying alpha into beta, alpha
beta.
Yes.
Plus
Alpha times 1, alpha. 1 time beta, beta. 1 time 1, 1.
1.
Right. Yeah. Substituting the values of alpha, beta, and alpha plus beta.
Negative P plus C plus.
First of all, what is alpha, beta?
C.
Yeah, negative P plus C.
Plus C plus P.
Yeah, are you pronouncing negative only in the beginning of only for the beginning term, beginning letter, or for all terms? That means,
Sir,
is it negative P positive C or negative P positive C?
Negative P positive C.
Yeah, everywhere.
Yes, sir.
I want to know where Americans use the word minus and plus.
They don't, sir.
Okay, it's not there in the dictionary of American math students. No. But how do you know about minus and plus?
Sir, I've been studying
Okay, only
in
because of that.
9th grade. No, sir.
Yeah, every time negative positive only used.
Yes, I'm kind of person who goes from negative positive to minus plus and then back to that.
Yeah, I think I thought only from the only in the beginning, for the beginning terms of negative positive we are used to. Remaining are plus minus. Okay, right. Negative P positive C, right?
Yes.
Here's alpha beta, right? Sankit is saying option 2. Agree?
I don't know, sir. I still didn't do it. Is the equation equals 0, sir?
What is 0? She
Sorry,
is saying,
no.
Sankit,
Okay.
Murali Reddy, what do you say?
Yes, sir. She is right, sir. It's 1 plus.
Option 2 is correct?
Yes, sir.
How?
It's negative P plus positive C. Positive.
Do it. Continue on the screen. Yeah.
So then it's positive P and positive 1, no, sir.
Yeah,
and then these
cancel
out.
Next.
So that equals 1 plus C.
Okay, alpha plus B is just P.
Yes.
Just P. Yeah, very good. That's good. Very good, Murali Reddy. And Sankiti, don't miss 5:30 class. Don't miss to join 5:30 class in June. And if you are interested, and there are more students from your area, I request Thani to start her class even before 4:30, so that you will get sufficient time to learn. See, okay, it's good. Got it clearly?
Yes.
Right, very good. Now, if the expression x square negative of 5m negative 2 times x, right?
Yes, sir.
Positive 4m square, positive 10m, positive 25. It is an expression. Do you know the difference between? Do you know the difference between equation and expression?
Yes, sir.
Have you noticed in the previous sum there is equal to 0.
Equation that's not
is equal to 0 is there, but is equal to 0 is not there. That's why it is expression only.
Yes, sir.
Can be expressed as a perfect square. Then m is equal to what? Perfect square means what is perfect square?
2, 4.
A square
Sorry.
minus 2ab plus b square. Here, the term is
yes, sir.
something square. A square minus 2ab plus b square.
Yes,
A square minus 2ab plus b square is called perfect square.
Yes, sir.
When comparing to it, a square is equal to x square, no doubt in it. A square is equal to x square. What is minus 2ab? Minus 2ab is equal
Minus 2 times 8
negative 2ab is equal negative of 5 times m negative 2, right?
Yes.
We can cancel negative on both sides. When comparing these two, here a square is equal to x square.
Yes.
A square is equal to x square. So what is a?
X.
Very good. From it, a is equal to x, right?
Yes.
So here, 2 times a means x.
Then B is 5
What is
minus.
b, right? Okay.
Yes.
What is b, right? So see one thing. Of course, x is also there, you know.
Yes.
In second term, x is also there. We should write x also, right?
Yes.
Now, 2 times x times b is equal to 5 times m negative 2 times x.
Yes. X
Now,
gets
yeah, x's can be cancelled. Now, what is b? B is
5
5 times m negative 2 over 2.
over 2.
It is b only.
Yes, sir.
But what is the third term?
B square, sir.
Plus b square. Instead of b square, there is positive
4m square
of
plus
4m
plus
square, positive 10m, positive 25, right? Okay.
Yes, sir.
B square must be equal to positive times of 4m square, 4 times m square, positive 10 times m, positive 25, right?
Yes.
So here, what is b? B is minus 5 times m negative 2 over 2, right? Here
Yes.
clearly b is equal 5 times m negative 2 over 2, right?
Yes.
Then what is b square?
4.
Of course, here b square is this.
Oh, 5m minus 2 over 2.
Yeah,
4
5m minus 2
minus 2 over 2
whole square. Here it is b square. Here it is b square.
Yes.
So we can equate both b squares. It is b square. It is b square. Both b squares can be equated. That is 4 times m square plus 10 times m plus 25, right?
5.
Yeah, right. Using a minus b whole square formula to expand this. Murali, can you tell what is the expansion of 5m minus 2 whole square by 2? That is a square means 25 times 25m square minus 2ab. A square minus 2ab. Minus 2ab means 2 times 5m times 2. 20. 2 times 5m times 2. Plus b square means 4 by 4 is equal 4m square plus 10m plus 25. Got it?
Yes.
Yeah. Cross multiplication. 25m square minus 20m plus 4 is equal 4 times 4 16m square
m square plus 40m
plus 100.
plus 100.
Simplify it. 25m square minus 16m square, it is 9m square. Minus 20m minus 40m minus 60m. 4 minus 100 minus 96. Can you answer now, Sankirti and Murali? Yeah, divide each term by 3. 3 is a common factor for 9, 60 and 96. 3 is common factor. So 3 times m square minus 20 times m
20m
minus 32. Yeah, Murali Reddy and Sankirti, can you factorize this? Can you tell factors for this equation? What are the factors for this equation? Factors for this equation are
96.
3m square. Yeah. Can you tell the factors for it? Product is negative 96.
96. Yes.
Sum is negative 20. Can you tell the factors of 96 so that their difference is 20? మా సంఖ్య మళ్ళీ మీరు దీని ఫ్యాక్టర్ చెప్పగలరమ్మా? మల్టిప్లై చేస్తే 96 రావాలి. దట్ ఈస్ మైనస్ 96 రావాలి.
So 1 second, I'll be
టోటల్ మైనస్ 20 రావాలి.
So 1 second, I'll be back.
Yeah, sure. మా చెప్పగలరా అమ్మ? ఫ్రాక్షన్ చెప్తారా మీరు? దీని ఫ్యాక్టర్స్ అని చెప్తారమ్మా? See, it is option 2. Do you think that negative minus 8/3 or 4? మా సంగీతి దీని ఫ్యాక్టర్స్ అని తెలుసమ్మా నీకు? ఫ్యాక్టర్స్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ ఈక్వేషన్ ఆర్ it is minus 24 times plus 4. Minus 24 times 4 is negative 96. Negative 24, positive 4 is negative 20. So we are factorizing.
Yes.
Yeah, those two numbers are minus 24 and negative 24 and positive 4. Minus 32 is equal to 0. Yeah, very good, Sankiti. Sankiti, your answer is right. Sankiti is saying option 4 and Murali Reddy is saying option 2. Option 4 is correct. Yeah, do it. What is common factor? 3m is common factor.
3m, sir. M minus 4.
Plus 4 is common factor.
Yes.
M minus 8.
M minus 8. Oh, sorry. M minus 8. Yeah.
Now m negative 8 times 3m positive 4 is equal to 0. Which means m is equal to either m is equal to 8
or m equals
negative 4 over 3.
Negative 4 over 3.
That is option 4. Very good. Sankiti, your answer is right. Good girl. Yeah, here we faced log again. Yeah, let's discuss it later. That means in the end. This also. Yeah. And the maximum values, minimum values also to be discussed. Yeah, let's go. Let's do it first. Because
so do we check the maximum and minimum values based upon the exponential degree?
Yes, I'll give some detailed explanation for to find maximum and minimum value also. Before that, let's finish this sum also. Do you remember the very beginning? In the very beginning, that means the first sum is similar to this sum only. In the first sum, one root is given and asked for the second root.
Yes, sir, with the number 3 or something. That
first root is 1 plus I, the second root is 2 plus I.
That one. Okay.
Right? Now, it's similar question. Murali Reddy, Sankiti, and Thandika, can you try this sum?
Yes, sir.
If one is one of the roots of ax square plus 3x plus 5 is equal to 0, then the second root is. But the difference between the previous sum and this sum is, in the previous sum, in the first sum, we didn't have any unknown values. But here it is
here
an
we
unknown
have
value.
2 unknown values.
Yeah, here we have an unknown value.
Yes, sir.
This is unknown value. First of all, we need to find this value. Without finding this value, we can't move forward. How to find this unknown value? Since it is given, 1 is one root of the equation, we can substitute 1 in the place of x. We can substitute x is equal to 1. By doing so, we can find the value of a first. See, we are substituting a is 1. That means x is equal to 1.
1a plus 3.
Yeah, very good. A times 1 square plus 3 times 1 plus 5 is equal to 0, right? That is a plus 3 plus 5. 8 is equal to 0.
A equals -8. Sir.
Yeah, a is equal to -8. So we can rewrite the given equation. Now the given equation can be rewritten as -8x square plus 3 times x positive 5 is equal to 0, right? Yeah, very good, Murali. Murali, your answer is right. Good boy. Now, see, what is a here? A is equal to -8, right? Here a is equal to -8. And
Sir,
b is equal to 3.
Is it option 4, sir?
Option 4. Yeah, what's our answer? Sagiti and Murali, which option is correct? Thanika is saying option 4. Thanika's answer is option 4. What do you say? I think there is a gap between
Sir, yes, sir.
15 seconds.
The other day when I joined the YouTube, you were asking me questions and then they were answering, but then I was stuck in the point where you were asking me questions. So I was just texting yes sir an option, but then there was like an answer. There are like bajillion answers in there.
Yeah, there is. I think there is 15 seconds gap between
Yes.
Zoom class and YouTube class. Of course,
Yes.
there is an option. There is an option here in the settings to reduce that gap. But resultantly, the video quality also reduced. Yeah, video quality reduced by reducing this gap. If you want simultaneously, that means same time. Output quality is reduced. Okay, right. See, now we can use any of our choice, product of the roots or sum of the roots. Yeah, very good. Everyone is saying, Sangeet is also, Murali Reddy is also saying option 4. That's good because we can use any methods. But whenever one root is 1, it is better to write product of roots, so alpha times beta. Because
I used the
sum of the roots.
Alpha plus beta.
Yeah, alpha plus beta is equal, alpha plus beta is equal minus negative b over a. Alpha means 1 plus beta is equal to negative b means b is 3. 3, negative 3 over a is -8. Right only? Negative cancel. 3 over 8.
3 over 8 equals 1
so
plus
if you want beta, 3 over 8 minus 1, it is 3 minus 8 by 8. -5 over 8, right? Very good, very good. Option 4, very good, Sankirti. And it is better to use alpha times beta because one root is 1.
Yes, sir.
Multiplying
so
one means multiplying 1 means keeping the same. So that means 1 times beta is equal formula C by A. C over A. C means
5 over 8.
5 over -8. Sorry.
Yes, sir.
5 over -8. That means -5 by 8. Very good.
Oh.
Good. Option 4
Yes.
is right.
If 4 minus
4 minus I root 3 is a root of quadratic equation, then the equation is, here we need to learn one important thing in regarding quadratic equations. Whenever a number contains a small I, are you doing?
Oh, I'm looking for the thing that you gave me during the discussions.
Yeah, right. Sankiti, నువ్వు చెప్పగలమ్మా యాక్చువల్లీ క్వాడ్రాటిక్ ఈక్వేషన్ కి ఎన్ని రూట్స్ ఉంటాయమ్మా? 2 roots are there.
Yes.
But only one root is given, right?
Yes, sir.
If the roots are known, if the 2 roots are known, see, if the 2 roots are known, equation to find the quadratic equation, the formula is x square negative of sum of the roots
Alpha plus beta
plus alpha times beta is equal to 0.
0.
But only alpha is given. Alpha only given. We don't know beta.
Yes.
Without knowing beta, how can we find its equation? Yes, I'm telling one truth. You know, whenever you see I in any term or in any value, that means it is not a real number. If I is there, it is not a real number. See, it is not a real number. 4 minus I root 3 is not a real number.
Yes, sir.
Okay. But if you see all the equations having real numbers only in the 4 options. In
Yes,
4
sir.
options, only real numbers are there. That means real numbers are not present in options. Sorry. Imagine i's are not there in options. I is not there in any option.
Yes.
But one of its root is having I. But no option has I.
Yes.
That means I should be cancelled. The first root is, the first root is 4 minus I root 3. Okay. By taking, by our observation, no option has I.
Yes, sir.
So when we finding alpha plus beta, this term should be cancelled.
Yes.
It is to be cancelled. To cancel this, the second part of it must be positive I root 3. Got it?
Yes, sir.
The second term must be positive I root 3. Something plus positive I root 3, right?
Yes.
So that negative I root 3, positive I root 3 get cancelled.
Yes.
Because no option has I. Getting me? Sankirti,
Yes.
Right, very good. Now, okay, they are all saying option 2. Yeah, they are saying option 2. Let us check whether it is correct or not, right? See. Right, now, see. So, we need to find this value. Got it?
Yes, sir.
But see, some of the roots don't have I. Some of the roots doesn't have I.
Yes.
Similarly, even for the product of roots, there is no I.
Yes.
The equation is x square minus of alpha plus beta. Some of the roots don't have I. Some of the roots doesn't have I. And the product of the roots, even for the further product of roots, product of means this is product of roots. This is came from product of roots, right? Even in the product of roots, no I. I is not there.
Yes, sir.
So when we multiply 4 minus I root 3 times something plus I root 3, result must be without I. In this time, we need to remember one formula, that is A minus IB times A plus IB is equal to A square plus B square.
Yes.
It is free from I. The result free from I. Can you guess now about this something? One is 4 minus I root 3 and the another one is
4 plus I root 3.
Yeah, that means the second root must be 4 plus I root 3. So it is alpha, it is beta.
Yes, sir.
Now, what is 4 minus I root 3 and 4 plus I root 3? A minus IB, A plus IB. A square plus B square.
16 plus
16 plus 3 only.
3, yes.
B square means root 3 times root 3 whole square. What is 16 plus 3? 19. Got it?
Yes.
Now, see. Right, use this formula. X square minus of sum of the roots alpha plus beta. 4 minus I root 3 and 4 plus I root 3. 4 plus 4, 8. Plus alpha plus beta. Alpha times beta, 19 is equal to 0. So answer is x square minus 8x plus 19.
Yes.
Clear? And one more clue. If we don't go through all these points, simply we can say one thing. If A plus IB is a root of any quadratic equation, then A minus IB is also its root. Whenever that equation doesn't have i's, that means imaginary parts.
Yes.
Yeah, to have only real coefficients. To have only real coefficients, if one root is A plus IB, then another root must be A minus IB. If one root is lambda minus I times mu, then another root must be lambda plus I root mu. I root mu, right? So simply, if the one root is 4 minus I root 3, then the second root must be 4 plus I root 3. Only because no option has I. That means all the coefficients in 4 options are real numbers only.
Yes.
So simply we can take the two roots as 4 minus I root 3 and 4 plus I root 3. By adding them, we can find alpha plus beta.
Yes.
But if we want to save our time, you can see all the 4 options having same alpha plus beta values.
Yes.
So there is no use to pick the correct option by finding alpha plus beta.
Yes.
To finding, okay, only the constants plus 13, negative 13, positive 19, negative 19 are there.
Yes.
So to save time and space, we can just find alpha times beta.
Yes.
Because the last term is alpha times beta. That is
Yes.
4 minus I root 3 times 4 plus I root 3.
Yes.
This is 19. Positive 19. Only one
Yes.
option has positive 19. That's why
Yes.
option 2. In this process, in this way, we can save some time. Half of the time is saved
Yes.
by observation. Okay, good.
Yes.
Let's move for the next question. Yeah, we will discuss about this. Before that, let's solve this sum. Sankirti and Murali Reddy, it is a challenging question for you. Sankirti and Murali Reddy, can you ask this question? Sin of e power x is equal 5 power x plus 5 power negative x. Number of solutions that this equation has. See, first of all, we should know what is e. What is e here?
Say, is it 0?
E. No, E. Answer 0. Correct only. How could you tell?
So 5 to the power x, no sir. So the exponential of whatever number is going to be positive. So it's going to be some 120. Let's suppose it's 125, sir.
Something
But
like
then,
that. Okay. Either
yeah,
25,
but
either
for
25. Yeah, go ahead.
But for the second unit, it's 5 to the power negative x. So the answer is going to be in negative exponential order.
Yeah.
So if it's 125, it's going to be negative 125. So at last, it's going to be 0. No?
See. There are, of course, your answer is right. There is a small correction in it. That is, for example, if you want to take x is equal to 1, right?
Yes, sir.
That is 5 to the power of x means 5.
Yes, sir.
Next, 5 to the power of negative 1. What is 5 to the power of negative 1?
Is it 5 plus 5?
No. 1 by 1 over 5.
No, 5.
Yeah. You see, a to the power of negative 1 is equal to 1 by a.
Yes, sir.
As we know, understanding Sankirti and Murali Reddy, are you getting me? A power minus 2, negative 2 is equal to 1 by a square, right? That okay?
Yes, sir.
So its total is 5 plus something. That is more than 5.
Yes, sir.
More than 5. Every time answer must be more than 5 only. More than 5 only. Every time. For any value,
Okay.
it is more than 5. If you take
Yes.
even 2. Okay. Now, first of all, we should know what is E here. As we know, pi is a constant. Its value 22 by 7 or 3.14 something.
Yes.
Similarly, E is also a constant. Its value 2.8172 something like that.
Yes.
So E is a constant.
Yes.
So E is a constant and it is a positive value. Like pi
Yes.
is also positive.
Yes.
Yeah, one important point I'm telling you right now. Positive to the power of anything. Positive to the power of anything is always positive. Is always positive.
Positive.
Right. See, it is sin of e power x. Sin of e power x.
Yes.
First of all, ignore this point. Ignore this value. Just we know it is positive only or something, some value. That's it. Okay. Now, our observation must be it is about sine. If you draw a sine function, because graphs are very important for your curriculum, if you draw a sine function on the graph, it is positive x, negative x, positive y, negative y. If you draw a graph function, that function is like this. Is a graph of sin x.
Yes, sir.
It lies between -1 and +1. It is +1. It is -1.
Yes.
That means the value of sin x always in the boundaries of -1 and +1.
Yes.
So the highest value of sin function is +1. The least value of sin x is -1.
Yes.
And if we take examples, what's the value of sin 0 degrees? Do you remember? Sankirti, what is sin 0 degrees?
Is it
Sankirti and
once?
Murali Reddy, what is sin 0 degrees? 0. Sin 30 degrees? 1/2. Sin 45 degrees?
1 over root
square root of 2. Very good. What is sin 60 degrees?
root 3 over 2.
Yeah, root 3/2. What is sin 90 degrees?
1, sir.
1. So in any case, its highest value is 1 only. It cannot. Very good. So sin something cannot exceed 1.
Yes.
It cannot be less than -1. It cannot exceed +1. It cannot be less than -1, right?
Yes, sir.
So take this point.
Yes.
The highest value of sin something is +1 only.
Yes.
The highest value of sin something is 1 only.
Yes, sir.
And least value of this value, you know what is its least value?
It's negative 1.
Here we can see 5.
Yes, sir.
Least value is 5.
Oh, yes, sir.
For whatever value. Yeah, I'm telling one more thing. X plus 1 by x. Can you say it is x plus 1 by x? X plus 1 by x is nothing but x plus x power -1.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, its least value is 2 only. See, here it is very interesting. The highest value of left hand side is 1. The greatest value of left hand side is 1.
Yes.
The minimum value of left hand side is 2. Is there any possibility for equal for those two terms must be equal?
No, sir.
I am telling. Tell two cities in America. Tell two cities.
Houston and Dallas.
Austin.
Yeah, Austin and Houston.
And Dallas.
Austin and Dallas. Yes.
Dallas. So one vehicle. How much difference between them?
3 hours.
3 hours. That means nearly 200 kilometers.
Yes.
Not 200 or 150 or something. Okay, take 100 kilometers. Okay. So
yes.
One vehicle travels up to Austin. Another vehicle coming from there, it comes. It reaches only up to Dallas.
Yes.
Can they meet?
No, sir.
If a vehicle come some other place, if this vehicle to other place, they may meet.
Yes, sir.
In this case, they do not meet.
Yes.
Simply LHS. See, LHS is less than or equal to 1. Because highest value 1. RHS is greater than or equal to 2.
Yes.
How they can be equal?
No, sir, they cannot.
The highest value of LHS is 1. The least value of right hand RHS is 2.
Yes, sir.
So they cannot meet.
Yes, sir.
They cannot be equal.
Yes, sir.
That's why it is an impossible equation.
Okay.
It is an impossible equation. So impossible equations don't have solutions.
Yes, sir.
So option for this question is very
0.
good. Sankirti, your answer is right. Option is 0.
0.
It has no solution. That means number of solutions that this equation has 0. It has 0 solutions. But don't be confused. 0 is not a solution.
Yes, sir.
0 is not a solution for this equation. That means
Yes.
0 doesn't satisfy this equation.
Yes, sir.
If we put x is equal to 0, it's not satisfied.
Yes, sir.
So what's the meaning of 0 here?
The number of solutions.
Number of solutions, but not one of the solutions. 0 is not one of the solution. It has no solutions. It has no solutions. No means 0.
Yes.
So mathematically, we can prove that a cat has 7 tails.
Oh, yes, sir. You told me about this. The cat having.
Because no is equal to 0 in mathematics. In real life, in conversation, no is equal to 0 in mathematics, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's move to the next question. Yeah. Yes, right. Now it's about maximum value or minimum values, right? See. First of all, I am telling the clue, final answer. What is A here?
-5.
-5. Sankirti and Murali Reddy, do you know its answer? Miki answer telusamma? A is equal to -5. B is equal to +2, C is equal to 3, right? Agree?
Yes, sir.
One formula I am telling. In the next class, I will explain you how this formula comes.
Yes.
Derives, okay. Maximum value formula 4AC minus B square by 4A. Tell it. Do it on the screen. 4AC minus B square by 4A.
Square by 4. Yes.
Do it on the screen.
4 times -5 times 3 minus 4 over 4 times -5. That's yes. That's 1 second, sir. So it's -20. So -60.
Negative.
4
Yeah.
over -20. (64) divided by 4, sir. That's 16. So it's 16 over 5.
16 over
5.
Yeah. Option? Very good. Very good, Sankirti. Very good, Murali Reddy. Your answer is right. Murali Reddy and Vanni. Okay. Okay, got it. Option 4, right?
Yes.
So try this sum as homework. Take screenshot and try it.
Yes, sir.
Same formula. Yeah, or you can do it right now.
Yes, sir. It's
Same
1 over.
Ignore 1 over. I will tell the reasons. Ignore 1 over.
Okay. So
but notice that it is in the denominator. So answer must be reciprocal of that formula.
Formula, yes.
So instead of that, we can use 4A.
4A by.
Yeah,
4A
that's good.
minus
That's good. Very good observation. Right. Go ahead.
So A equals.
A is equal to 4.
4.
Yeah.
B equals 2 and C equals 1. Right. So it's 4 times 4 over 4 times 1.
Very good, Sankirti.
Minus 4.
Sankirti and Murali Reddy, your answers are correct. Very good. 16 over. Yeah.
16 over 12. 12, sir?
Yeah, 12.
So it's 4 over 3.
Yeah, so that's good.
It's
Option?
3 over 4.
Option?
It will be 4/3. So we
Yeah, we need not
reciprocal.
reciprocal right now because we
Yes, sir.
we reciprocal formula only, right? That's good, very good. Yeah, tomorrow, Sankirti and Murali Reddy, don't miss tomorrow's 4:30 class because we will be discussing the reasons why we use that formula. The derivation of that formula will be explained in the tomorrow's class. Very good. Thank you, Sankirti, and thank you, Murali Reddy. And there are 4 more students from YouTube. My YouTube 6 students unaru. Thank you for joining. Yeah, students, shall we move to the next class?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes. So I'll meet you there, sir.
Yeah, sure. Please come there.